Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this amazing interview session with Mr. Ajay Shukla. So, Mr. Ajay Shukla, sir, is the member of Book Readers Club since long, and most importantly, he's the new author of the book called The Five Principles of Project Management Delivery. So that's something amazing. So, Ajay sir, welcome to this amazing web interview, and thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Sobit. Thanks a lot. And you people are really inspirations. And after joining the BRC, we started the writing the books also. And by the God grace, this book was completed. And blessing in disguise, it was a Corona time, so we got the
Thanks.
early morning time also.
Mhm.
So my dream, which was
Mhm.
means in the cold storage for last 4 5 years, I was able to finish, and that that's what this book is there.
Show us the book, sir, if you have.
Yes. This is the book. This is the
Okay.
five proven principles of successful project delivery.
Hmm.
So, and this is based on the field tested principles.
Mhm.
So it is like the if any of the principle you use in the project.
Mhm.
So our project are any for solving any kind of problems,
Mhm.
you can
Mhm.
use it.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, just one simple question: that when the idea of this book, when did they came and how did that came to your mind, basically?
So with in the life or in anywhere in organization, we always faces the challenges,
Mm-hmm.
and we see the every challenges like in a projects mode
Mm-hmm.
basis, and we see the project as a service tool to
Mm-hmm.
society, to organizations.
Mm-hmm.
Any organization, if you see, or any society you see, if
Mm-hmm.
they want to serve the bigger cause,
Mm-hmm.
they can solve the problems through using the project delivery methodology. So this is a
Mm-hmm.
vehicle to serve others.
Mm-hmm.
If you see, when our India got independence in
Mm-hmm.
1948, so country also got developed through new projects only.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are doing through certain methodology, certain proven principles, which are based on the some spirituality, certain
Mm-hmm.
kind of human touch and all.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you have got biggest opportunity to
Mm-hmm.
serve the nation, to serve the society.
Mm-hmm.
And I was having this idea, and
Mm-hmm.
as I told you, during this pandemic times,
Mm-hmm.
and since I was facilitating many projects,
Mm-hmm.
and during pandemic time, I saw the plight of this migrant
Mm-hmm.
workers also, and
Mm-hmm.
most of them were working with the
Mm-hmm.
projects, construction project also.
Mm-hmm.
So since I have created a lot of value in this area, so I thought, why don't we share with others, so that our bottom of the pyramid, lost connectivity, who are the ultimately beneficiary of the this worker, will also, if we are delivering a good projects, so every stakeholder will be benefited. So that
Correct.
was my purpose, and that's what my inspiration to write this book.
Great. So, when did you start writing this book, sir?
So, Sobita, as I told you that a lot of experience I had, lot of material I was
Mm-hmm.
having. But during lock time, since there was no movement, and we
Mm-hmm.
used to rise, me and my wife used to
Mm-hmm.
rise early in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
So we started, I think, just after the lockdown, after March. So we thought,
Mm-hmm.
why don't we means in the morning time we should invest in a very useful things, and this is
Mm-hmm.
my dream basically. And meanwhile, I also joined the BRC. So you people have also ignited a lot of fire in us, and
Thank
we
you,
read
sir.
the books. So we started writing March first week,
Mm-hmm.
and we were about to finish this book by July.
Mm-hmm.
But again, I given this book to to review to one of the most formidable former secretary, Mr. D.V.
Mm-hmm.
Kapoor, who is the authority in this area.
Mm-hmm.
So he has suggested me to completely rewrite this book. So from
Mm-hmm.
July to August, I have rewritten this book, and again it was
Mm-hmm.
reviewed by the CMD of the BrahMos,
Mm-hmm.
Mr. M.S. Pillai. He's the Padma Shri person, and Rasmi Bansal. So that
Okay.
was a journey. It was a wonderful journey. I really enjoyed, and this was for certain purpose, and it is serving that purpose. The kind of traction it is getting. So I have put on the hard copy as well as
Great.
soft copy.
So this book is available on Amazon currently.
Yes, this book is available hard copy in Amazon and Kindle. Kindle Unlimited
Mm-hmm.
also it is available,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I'm getting a lot of good reviews from
Hmm.
especially from US people also,
Yes.
because the
Yeah.
purpose for which I have written.
Project management is huge in North America. Yeah.
Yes, it is a
Mm-hmm.
not. I called it project delivery. I called it
Uh-huh.
means problem solve. Any kind of
Mm-hmm.
bigger problem can
Mm-hmm.
you can solve through projects.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have got that kind of methodology, which is
Mm-hmm.
human centric, because ultimately any problems are solved through humans only. And if you are able to take care of the human if you are able to respect the last mile connectivity worker who is working on this one, so I think that they can give for your project, they can give their blood, sweat, and tears, everything they can
Correct.
give. Otherwise, we are facing. And one more inspiration was there. I used to read, because I am in this area, so I used to read that a lot of money is being wasted, around 3 lakh crores in the cost overrun and time overrun. If 50% of the money, if we are able to save and invest into the larger part of the society benefit, so that can benefit all. And my belief is that if we do in a very means methodological and sincere way, and we follow this kind of, I don't say this only this framework, is any kind of framework which can serve the society, like in DMRC, Dr. C. Vidran, he has created the value for the entire Delhi city and society. So it is I see it is a tool for service, vehicle for service to serve the society for serving the bigger cause.
Great, sir. So, what are the contents of the book? Like, what are exactly, like, if I have to ask you TUC, or what exactly information people will find in the book? What in brief, can you tell us what is there in the book?
This book is basically, we are not taking people in much technical parts without going in the without going much detail in technical part. How the people can create the integrated goal for their team, because projects are executed by teams. How to create the vision, how to solve, solve the, we say, the 20 to 80-20 problems, because projects is quite big. You are stuck up in the noise of this one. If you get the visibility, if you get the unified visibility, you see the telescoping visibility, you have got the integrated scoreboard with the team. So team motivation also you have. So it gives the solution to all this kind of aspects. And bottom line, I have said that projects are currently, we are living in the VUCA world. VUCA is volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. And through this framework, I tried to change this paradigm. I converted this now project. You can do again VUCA 4.0. VUCA 4.0 is understanding, then courage, adaptability, and that kind of means benefit you can get. So VUCA 1.0 to VUCA 4.0, you can get a lot of clarity with the project, and you can deliver the project with certain kind of sense of purpose, sense of service, and keeping the last mile connectivity in the mind.
So basically, this book is for people who are taking any kind of project. They're the target audience for this book, or anyone else.
With anybody. We all feel, as I told earlier, in every life we face a lot of problems. Whether it is NGO, whether it is your manager, I see every problem as a project. If it is can be converted in further methodology, because it covers all elements. So it is applicable to everybody. It is not only project, it is service persons, any person who is dealing the problems which need to be solved for more than a week. So that has to be converted into either, except the day-to-day jobs, every problems can be converted if you have got the vision. I have also made vision for my next 20 years. So my every day is very clear, and I am leading through in a project mode. So except the day-to-day, and even day-to-day also can be connected with the project part. You can have the lead measure, then in the morning you get inspiration that what you need to do, why you are here.
Correct. So Ajay sir, one very important question that many newbie writers like me also must be facing, and I would like your inputs on that and your experience. Finding the publisher and getting the book published, because writing is one part, publishing is one part. So how did that happen, and how did you find a publisher? How did that journey happen? Could you please tell us about that?
Yes, Sobit, I had the material, but I was looking for the publisher for last, I think 6 months, more than 6 months I was looking.
Okay.
So I talked to many publishers, but one person I found and I found out, and I think he will be with me for, I think, life together. He is Mr. Dr. Vineet Gera.
Acha, Dr. Vineet Gera. Oh.
Yes, so he is very genuine and very sincere person.
Yeah, okay.
And we are also all.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, we are all 50s basically. So the way he interact with us, and because we are in the same language, and he's a very honest and very simple person, and he pushes us a lot. And his morning session was wonderful. Early morning we were writing also, and we were doing things together. So I give a lot of credit to Mr. Gera.
So for those who don't know, Dr. Vineet Gera is the founder of Gurukul Publishing, and he's for India's first authentic authors coach. I have attended many workshops of him. I had an interview also with him on my YouTube channel. You can check that out. And most importantly, he's also part of the book readers community.
Yes,
So that is something which is so
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah, he's very genuine and he's very good.
Yes, I'm really fond of him, and I think I will because once I started writing, I will write. I will not stop. I think
Correct.
every 1 year, I think for certain cause, I will write this one. And second thing, I also devoted this book. Entire proceeding will go to the these underprivileged Upay, which is I'm supporting. These are teaching the street childrens. So I'm committing to that also.
That's great, sir. That's great. That's very humble of you. That's something which I always believe that you know, people who do creative work and then they do charity as well. That's something which is very humbling. Good, sir. Great.
Yes, so with I see always the opportunity to serve others, opportunity to
Yes.
serve the society, and if we are privileged, then definitely we should serve.
Correct.
That is our moral duty.
So now coming to the technical aspects of writing. So for example, let's say I'm also writing a book. There are many people who must be writing a book. What tips or what advice you can give as an author, as a writer to these days?
Yes, so with if you want to write a book, you have to write daily. Means you have to make the schedule, and daily I think some time you must fix for that, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever times, because it requires consistent effort basically, and certain kind of coach like Vineet Gera, so who can review you and who can push you in case you are somewhere stuck up. And if you have some community also, 4 or 5 people who are writing together, so then also you get continuous. So daily writing is a habit I think we should not leave. And for new authors, it is a must thing. And if you do, because I was writing daily, then only I was able to complete.
Because some people say that you need you know, you need to go to Himalayas to
no.
That is all myth basically.
So with total myth, and from June itself, I have joined my office also. My office also, even then in the morning habit or evening, whatever habits, whatever time suits you, one time without disruptions. And someday I used to put the phone in the airplane mode also, so to complete my editing part and all.
Yeah.
So
so how important is getting reviews of the book? For example, before even publishing, you mentioned that you got the book reviewed by one esteemed person. I'm sure. So how important is that? Because some people just want to write and just, you know, give away. So yeah.
yes, Sobit.
Hello. Sorry, sir. There was a network issue. We are back. Am I audible?
Sobit, is it okay?
Yes. Sorry, there was a network issue, I guess. Please continue, sir.
No issue. Yes, we are back. Yes, Sobit. Yes, you are audible, Sobit.
Yeah, I was asking about the review part. How important is to get book reviewed before even publishing?
Sobit, voice is breaking.
Okay. Yes, sir. I was asking about how important it is to get the book reviewed.
Sobit, I think the book review is very important because the reviewer, especially if he is experienced person, am I audible, Sobit?
Yes. Please go ahead, sir.
Experienced person, he will definitely give you a different perspective, and if he is totally honest. So, like my reviewer has totally rewritten and some perspective I was missing in that. And later on, I thought really it was a wonderful things to get book reviewed, because you get a lot of insight and different perspectives with the experienced person. So definitely it helps you a lot, and we should take the reviews, and very sincere reviews we should take.
Okay, that's great, sir. So, sir, one last question, which is very important for me personally. So you mentioned that Book Readers Club you joined, I think in March or April, sometime then only, and then that was the time you were starting the book. So just for me personally, and other people who are watching this, how important is Book Readers Club in your life currently and in your book journey as well?
Really, Sobit, I am really thankful to BRC and you people, because you again ignited the my habit of book reading. Because earlier I was good book reader, but of late I think I forgot that and that kind of discipline. But you people kind of inspiration and kind of support you people have given. It was wonderful and wonderful journey, and I was able to finish I think 7-8 books during that journey. So earlier I used to finish only 2-3 books in a year. So you can, and again I will, once I have finished my book, again I will start reading my books, and I will take your challenge of 52 books per year. So 1 year, I think next year I will plan to take that challenge. It is very wonderful, and people should join this kind of club, and you people are doing a wonderful job, and keep doing this kind of job, and any kind of support you require from my side.
Very important is something which very important is something which I always figured that, people have, because to be very honest, people have read the books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, 10X Rule, all these books have been read by people. The problem is they are not in a habit of use the books, the content of the book. So my idea, the reason I opened the Book Readers Club was also not to make people read. Reading is not the goal. It's to use the books, the contents of the book, to self-develop basically. So that was the main idea of me opening the Book Readers Club.
Absolutely right. Yeah. Absolutely right. And definitely, and I think you have got success in that also, because let me share this one. Many books I've got a lot of insight. One book was that Atomic Habit. So from Atomic Habit, one of the chapter of my book is Lead Measure. Lead Measure is coming from Atomic Habit, because what you do daily, then only you can reach your goal. And your mind are very smart unless until you give the clues and you make the thing simplified. And if you see, entire my book is also based on certain this kind of, because mindset is, if you make the things complex, you cannot deliver anything. You have to make the things simpler for people, so that so this is the outcome of these books. Whatever thoughts, my new thoughts which is coming in this book. So the many thoughts are triggered from whatever the books we have read during the April. So definitely this is quite useful. And apart from reading, I think user and other means how to apply that kind of brainstorming session also monthly you can plan. So
yeah. In fact, because the weekly meetings that we used to have, I will start them again in a proper way this time. So I'll be like, plan properly, and I think so that's great. So Ajay sir, I think that was a very, very good insight that I got, and I got the inspiration that I have to write daily, because I'm not in a habit of writing daily, to be very honest. So I think that is something which is very important for a newbie writer like me. And I think and you have written the entire book in 4-5 months. That's commendable. I think genuinely that deserves appreciation, because I have been writing my book since 1 year now. It's still in the incomplete stage, but yes, I will complete it now. And it's a very good, I think it's very inspirational to see that how to utilize the lockdown time, because many people have just criticized lockdown. I mean, in fact, there are very few people who have, completely utilized the period when they are at home, and you are one of them. So that's great, sir. That's great.
Yes, Sobit, and credit to all you guys, all you young generation people. I really enjoy BRC Club, and we look forward, and we will again form one team, our younger team also, and I will connect to you also, sir. So that
of course. So, sir, thank you so much. Journey. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations for your new book. And hopefully in the next 5 years, we'll see more and more books coming from you. And I'm ordering one copy for me today only from Amazon.
Sure.
And so guys, in the link, I will send you 3 links. Basically, first is the interview I had with Dr. Vineet Gera. That was something which you should all see. And he has given, very big tips of, how to write a book. Secondly, I will give the link of Ajay sir's book to Amazon. You can directly go to that link and purchase it, because as he said, that book is for everyone, not for only project managers, for everyone. And third and most importantly, I will give you a link of my own website, and you can see the details of Book Readers Club and everything. That will really help you. Ajay sir, any last thoughts before we wind up?
No, thank you, Sobit, and I will urge the all people whosoever are means any kind of problem you are facing and anything you want to solve on that. Generally, just go through this kind of book. A lot of insight it will give, and it is going to help you. It will make things simplified, and at the last you will be able to serve your purpose. And this is based on my own experience of billion-dollar projects. So I have condensed it in a very simpler way, and as I told you that if it benefits to all, everybody ultimately at the end of the day everybody feels happy, and you are also serving whatever organization or team. In fact, even a small team also, if you can keep the team happy, they can give you blood, sweat, and tears for you. So that kind of principles this book derives. And thank you, Sobit, for giving me opportunity to share my thoughts with you.
Sure. Thank you, Ajay sir. My privilege. It's my honor to have you on my channel. And thank you so much for sharing all your insights. And I hope to see you more and more in my videos.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much.
Thanks, Sobit. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.